back to the YouTube channel. This is the first day that we've had to put on hoodies. It is cold. We're at Piedmont Dragway. It's Carolina No Time Race. Today we're going to be doing small block boost testing. Hopefully it's going to go good. It's really cold, so the car is going to make more power than what we've been making before last time we were at the track. So we're going to try it. We're going to see what happens. It's going to be exciting. We're hoping we can go some 420s tonight. I don't know if it's going to work or not. We'll make a couple adjustments, shock settings, front and back. We'll tighten up the front just a little bit, and we're going to tighten up the back extension a little bit as well. So hopefully it works out. We're going to give a little bit more travel up front. The goal is kind of take off all together at one time. Back separates and the front separates at the same rate is what we're going to be going for. So we'll see if it works out. I don't know if it's going to or not, but we're going to try. We're going to have fun. We'll be out here tomorrow on Saturday for the actual race. Next weekend we'll be doing no prep racing with my car at Thunder Valley Dragway. So make sure y'all make plans. Thunder Valley Dragway for no prep racing next Friday and Saturday. All right, let's see what we got. We had a little bit of oil in the downpipe, so we just took all this back off and cleaned it real good. We still don't have the check valve up there. We've been taking that line off, but it still somehow got some oil in it. So let's see if most of it's out now. Okay, we just pushed up here for our first test session. They're doing some track prep now. They're hosing it down with glue, so hopefully we should be fine, but it is cold out here. There's 5 or 6 cars in front of us, but everybody's testing, getting ready for tomorrow. We're hoping we can make 2 passes. Okay, so we made that pass. He cut it off. It shifted hard, which is good. I had the RPM up a little higher and it shifted. And when it shifted, he felt it do something funny in the car. And we just cranked it up, and cylinder number 2 is out again. And so the pin out, before when Randy Haywood fixed it, the pin, the connector was loose. It had bowed out. And so he tightened it up. And so when I pulled it off a minute ago, we think what happened when he tightened it up, it didn't slide all the way on the pin and it pushed it out of the connector. And so we just tried to get it back in there. So we're fixing to fire it up again, see if it's working. We just went through the valve, and then we're here with the Fairmont. It is out of fuel pump. It made like 26 pounds of boost. He thinks it's got a stuck wastegate. And it's got on methanol with a 2345 welding, and it is not happy. That pump at 25 pounds of boost, it completely dropped from 65 pounds of fuel pressure to 40. So Milton's finishing that up now, so we're fixing to crank it up and see if that cylinder is back or not. And then I'm gonna pull that plug out again regardless and just make sure the connector stayed in there. So we'll see in a second. Okay, there you go. All right, crank it. Alright, so we got fire back on that hole, so we're going to leave it there, and hopefully that's good enough. Yeah, cut the power off. That's good. So it is working. So the pin is working. I'm going to take it out real fast and just verify to make sure that it did not push it back up there. And then we're going to crank it up one more time just to make sure. Or maybe we should leave it since it's firing. No, we need to move it. Alright guys, with that last pass it spun. It's really cold outside, so the track went away, and we had about the same tune-up that we did last time. So it should have went down. I just modified a couple things down track. We did have all 8 cylinders, you know, for the whole way it was going up here, and we got 8 cylinders now. So don't forget, guys, today, October 31st, when y'all are seeing this video, is the last day to get entered into the Hans device. So go buy a t-shirt, get entered. We're going to do the drawing either Sunday or Monday, the 1st or 2nd of November. So this is your last chance to enter. All right, guys, we're going to be racing Piedmont Dragway this weekend. Come see us if you're close. Go fast and get some wind lights. Later, guys.